It's tool time with Neptown Tuner. I got some more tools to show you. It was another tool haul. It's another show and tell. Yeah, I'm gonna show them to you. These are like showing off. No, I'm trying to influence quality tool buying. You know, you don't necessarily have to. I was broke. You know, I still struggle. But at least now I believe in myself enough to buy quality tools. I got there. Not really, but there's still lots more tools I need to get. And there will be lots more episodes of Talking Tool with Neptown Tuner. But I trust in the new technology when it comes to the Milwaukee lithium ion. I'm falling in line, falling in love. You know, I've been old school for so long, just turning these dirty wrenches. And, you know, it's time to start pulling more triggers. So, yeah, I'm talking about electric tools, by the way. Most of them have triggers. Like this bad boy I just picked up today. We have the Big Boy Fuel, 1,400 foot-pounds. We're expecting big things. So the snap-on was just letting me down. Left and right and in between. I even had it rebuilt once, and I really haven't used it that much. No, we're gonna see. This feels a lot more substantial. So the other major purchase today, yeah, it's the compressor. I hope it holds up to my expectations of just being able to fill some tires. Hopefully more than one tire. We're gonna figure that out. Maybe I'll actually put this through its paces a little bit and see if it'll run a air impact or something. But I had to get the accessories from Harbor Freight, unfortunately. You know, I went to a couple hardware stores and they just didn't have the type of air hose I needed. I'm just using this to air up tires, portable air compressor. So I wanted the slinky type. Harbor Freight had 3 different kinds. Other places had 0. You know, I didn't go to the Menards, but supposedly this is the best of the most expensive they had at the Harbor Freight, so I'm expecting mediocre things. We'll open this stuff first. Lightweight aluminum. So, on the small end, I'll go compressor side. That would be a male nipple. So, we gotta go female fitting to male nipple, if that makes any sense. Now, the other side, see, I still gotta tighten this down. I wasn't finding my pliers of choice. I could use these on both sides, the good old plier wrenches, Nipex. But I'm not that too concerned with a couple scratches personally, so I didn't take the time to show you that I got multiple sets of those. But on this side, we'll show you with the good old 12-inch big boy plier wrenches. And this hose already had some type of pipe thread sealer on it. So that's good enough. And yes, the Nipex pliers nicked the black. And the male nipple, if you will, is perfectly unharmed. We didn't scratch it. So now, this side right here, we're gonna need a female quick coupler. There we go. So we're gonna do the same exact thing. There we go. Now, friends, we have our air hose sorted. It is now one continuous loop. Now we will move on to our inflation gun. Maybe I shouldn't say that dirty word. It's gonna hold back my algorithm. Now, gotta have something like this for my dually truck setup. It does not have pipe thread on it. There we go, that's enough. I don't want to get any inside the hose though. Although it wouldn't matter that much because I'm just filling tires. We're almost to the exciting part. Just gonna wipe that clean. Now, we have a fitting on the back side we gotta stick in there. All right. Da 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 da. It's kind of heavy. Wouldn't it be crazy if there was something like super important I had to do first, or it would like blow up? That's probably definitely not the case. Yeah, that's probably definitely not the case. What's this thing? It looks like a type of filter and a type of hose. Maybe like that. Where does this go? I bet you it goes right here. It's like a little mini generator package. Pretty sure this hose goes in this thing right here. Pretty sure. All right. Now, we got this big 12.0 HD battery. We're gonna plug her in. That's pretty quiet. That's pretty cool. And this hose, I'm digging this hose. So we're gonna put this in here. I guess I'll pick it up to show you. Yeah. I don't like the fit. I think it's the wrong coupler. We're gonna have to turn this thing off. Oh man. I don't like to do this. Me thinking I'd be cute, went and got some specialty high dollar fittings, and apparently they're not the same as all the other fittings. This was perfectly fine for all the other fittings. I thought that this might have been a different style. I should have just grabbed the same. See, I don't even know what these are called, but this is the one that's the most common, with a little bevel on either side. And these are some big fat boys. So, no, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna screw it directly into the compressor, because really, I only bought this thing to air up tires anyway. So, that's what it's for. I don't necessarily I would like to disconnect it. I'm disappointed in myself. Okay, that's good and tight. Now we'll proceed with, I'm really kind of confused why air didn't come out of there whenever I took that off. I mean, wasn't I pumping this thing on for a while? That was a little bit confusing. All right. Doesn't feel like there's air. Why not? got a little dial here. I need to fill a tire. Ah, I figured it out. Pretty interesting. This knob is somewhat stiff, and I don't know necessarily what's up with 0 to max over on this other side, but that seems to make it impotent. But you can see whenever you crank it up, it's got some pressure, and it will be sufficient to air my tires. I think I'm happy with it. Despite its expensive price tag of $350 plus a $220 battery, plus a like $40 hose setup. But that is a pretty nice, that's a pretty nice way to fill some tires. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Me and this air compressor, we're gonna make some memories together.